Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Pokemon Vortex. On the last episode, we did some side quest stuff, and today, before we continue on with those side quests, which I believe we're at 3% now, let's take a look at this, and may the 4th be with you. Today is May the 4th for me recording this, and as you can see right here where my mouse is, actually moving it too fast probably, I'll highlight it. You can claim a free Pikachu Jedi on the right of the dashboard for a limited time period only. I was gonna say limited time only, but I said limited time period. Same thing. Limited period only on May 4th. So I can go ahead and click this. I already got a Pikachu Jedi, so I was gonna say that I already claimed one. So yeah, and I got a normal one. I don't know if there's like chances that you can get different ones, but you know I got a normal one, so not too much. So we're going to go ahead and continue on with the side quest. We're going to go ahead, of course, and take on 20 more trainers today. Let's see where we are right now. Last time we started off at 46, and we are indeed at 66, so we did do 20. I do maybe want to do 24 today, and this is our new team, by the way. We have Arcanine, Ariados, Aromatisse, I don't know, Whirlipede, Whiscash, and Whismur. So that's nice. It looks like we're taking on a War Turtle and Aromatisse. I'm going to go with Aromatisse. Aromatisse has a Thunderbolt, which will be nice. So I'll go ahead and use that. Only does 300 though, so I don't think I'll be able to survive against the Blastoise, but it's worth it. Supposed to have a game today, and it got canceled because rain. Honestly, I don't like that it's raining now because it shouldn't. Oh, you weren't what I thought you would be. It shouldn't be raining at this time of year, at least not as much as it is, because it's May. It was supposed to rain last month, and it didn't. Not like at all. Well, okay, it rained a few times, but not much at all, and it should have, but it didn't, which is a problem. And I shouldn't be using an Arcanine right now, but I'm gonna go for it because I completely forgot to switch Pokemon, and I still got it. Oh, I died right at the last one. It would be at the last one. Whirlipede, I think you have some grass type move, maybe. Nope. But you have Poison Tail, and I'll go for. I think Shadow Pokemon are immune to that. So let's go for Bug Bite. 150. Oh man, that Hydro Pump though, and the Crunch though. Oh my god. Oh, and I'm about to face fire types right now. Man, Poison Jab. Nope, not that. Pin Missile. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so... Oh, Whiscash? Oh, I don't know. I'm going to see what I can do with this. I can go for a Poison Jab on you because you're not... Okay, that did 200, so that's a decent amount. We're going to go for you. So you can go for Secret Power. Maybe take him out. Take him out. Yeah. Alright, and Whiscash. What water type? You have Brine. I think Brine will do definitely very good. And we can take out our first trainer. And just in case, I'm going to use that so that Tackle doesn't accidentally do less. Awesome. So that's one trainer down. I don't have a light on, so I can't really see my tally marks right now. At least not while I'm writing it. That's not good. Trainer number 2. Looks like he has some fighting types. I don't think... Oh, well, you have Psychic. So remember, he's going to be good against everybody right here. So maybe we can get Psychics on all of them. We'll probably get like 2 of them. Because defenses are nope. Okay, so yeah, I'm fine with 2. What do we have now? Is it Hitmonchan? I don't know. I scrolled a little far. Yep. Sorry if you can hear like my stomach kind of growling a little. That's I just drank something and it makes sounds. I don't know how. It just does. I'm gonna go for Poison Jab. And yeah, I think it's just like liquid, just like bubbling. I don't know. And 200 and 200. Thank you for not being scared. That is another trainer down. I have no idea where the tip of my pen is. There we go. That's 2. Okay. I just took a shower and I was thinking because I take a game programming. I did a game programming class. I cannot speak right now. I take a game programming class right now, and wow, you put me to sleep. I've been I have a game that I have designed out and stuff, and I really want to do it. I feel I really need a team, but it's kind of hard to get a team when you're 18 and your friends aren't really like devoted to this. And yeah, um, so yeah, I don't really have a team right now. I'm terrible with art. I have to create my own like assets, which is like the objects and stuff, and it's terrible. I am absolutely terrible at it. Right now, I'm trying to make a bed because, and oh my god, texturing. I mean, I'm even worse at. But I do need to things I need to do that I should. It's a little hard. You know what I need to do? I think I know what it is. I need to make everything like half the size of what actually is, and then use the same. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I don't know, fam. We're going over aromatisse, right? Yeah. All right. But yeah, I don't know. The floor in the house that I made, it just looks too low quality, if you know what I mean. Like, just terribly. It like one little wooden panel on the floor isn't exactly what it should be. It was better last time I did it because so I'm using Unity and Blender, and in Unity I just took a bunch of cubes, resized them, and all of that to get the configuration that I wanted to make the house. And then I started using Blender. Well, we learned how to use Blender, and I decided, hey, let me go ahead and make this house in Blender because then I can texture it a little differently, so it's not like 2 blocks per wall because I need to have one side one color and the other side a different color. So yeah, and then what do I want to send out? Whatever. So yeah, after that, then I have the fact that okay, for the floor for the way I did it in Unity was nice, thin little stripes, and it actually looked like a hardwood floor. Now it's way blurry, and it sucks. And also the walls don't really look like walls; they look kind of too like flat, singular colored things. Like I feel like there needs to be some shading in it, and I don't really know how to apply the shading kind of thing. And I know someone else would know how to do it. It's just I don't, and I'm terrible at it. All right, so that's 5 chambers down. I don't even know when we started, but it's not gonna matter. I also took yeah, we're probably gonna be facing Vortex. I took an AP today, AP Physics 2. For those of you in high school, you probably know what it is. Maybe even in college. Yeah, I took AP Physics 2 today, and it's a 3-hour long test, hour and a half for part 1, hour and a half for part 2. And part 1, I think, is 50 multiple choice questions. And yeah, pretty easy on the first part, on the 50 multiple choice, pretty easy. But I paced myself terribly. I got to 45 minutes, like halfway through the time, and I was like halfway done with the questions. I'm like, all right. I'm like halfway there. Really? Wow, halfway there. So I'm on a fine pace, and then I'm like at 10 minutes left, and I still have like more than 10 questions. Like it's like 10 minutes left, and I don't even know. Like I thought it was 45 questions, and I'm going through it. Actually, no, I thought it was 36. And then I get to 37. I'm like, there's more, so maybe it's 40. And I go and I get to 40, and I'm like, there's more. And I'm like, oh my god, I didn't pace myself for this. I needed to like speed through these questions, and I pulled through clutch in the end, and got through the next 10, 20 questions. No, not 20. was it 45, 50, and I was on 36. 15 questions in like 7 minutes. So I did like a two questions per minute, and in the last two, it's what do you call it? Wow, I can't remember. Wait, did I just beat a guy? I think I just did. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I on the last question, the last five you have to choose two answer choices, and that I was speeding through those. I was like this, nope, 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 yes, and this. All right, and this, not those three, blah blah blah, and I just completely demolished that first part. And then we had our 10-minute break, and I'm like, yeah. My friend told me that there's this what messes up the short answer is that they always ask a question about designing an experiment, and I was like, wow, that's gonna cost me because I can't think of experiments that, like, yeah, no, I'm not that kind of thinker, and yeah, that was actually one of the questions. It was to design an experiment for something that I most likely can't be talking about, so I'm not going to discuss the question, but it's the type of question where you have to design an experiment to find things. You don't actually have to necessarily solve it quantitatively, but yeah. I'm gonna go back to side quests just to make sure I have my count good. We're in Cinnabar right now. That's nice. So we started at 66, and I have down 7, so we should be at 73, I think. It's nice that this isn't. Oh, I'm supposed to click here. I'm stupid. Wow. I'm here waiting for it, like the map to load, and wow. Okay, yeah, so we're at 73. Awesome. So we're at Cinnabar. What's cash is gonna be good, and yeah. And then tomorrow in the morning, I have AP Calculus BC, and considering this test, and it was the short answer was, or the free response was 4 questions an hour and a half, and for BC it's 4 questions an hour. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Like, that really just has me scared now. I'm not really much of a studier, but I guess I'm gonna have to do a little bit of studying, just to make sure I can remember the concepts and I guess not the concepts, but the like formulas and stuff. Because that math is more formulas. Calculus is kind of like more. I want to say logistic because it's not. Literally everything is kind of logistic. Like, sorry if you guys are like kids and you're not gonna understand what I'm saying, but these on a graph, you can find the slope between 2 points. If it's like a curve, and if you just want to find the slope at a certain point, so like it would be instantaneous slope. That's called the derivative, and also the slope of the tangent line. And the way it was found is a pretty logistic thing. You just take 2 points, find the slope between them, and 2 points where you have your point, and then you choose you have your point where you want to find your instantaneous slope. Pick a point to the left and pick a point to the right on your curve, or pick 2 points on the curve where your point is in between, and then find the slope between those, and then find 2 closer points, 2 closer, whatever, and you do that as the space between those 2 points becomes 0, because once that space becomes 0, they're the same point, and it's at the point where your point is at, and then you'll find that slope. So it's like, let's say the slope between 2 points is 4, and then get closer, it becomes like 3.5. Get a little closer, it's like 3 3/4. Closer, it's 3 3 1/4. Get a little closer, it's 3 and like a 6. And as you get closer and closer, it gets closer and closer to 3. then you would, like, I guess you could say that the limit there would be 3 as long as you could see it getting closer and closer to specifically 3. Um, Usually you would use 2 things that are barely um, far from your target point. Like if I'm looking for the slope at 2, I want to look at values at 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, or 1.9, 1.99, and stuff like that. Just to make sure I have like as accurate, I can be as accurate as I can. So yeah, and that's pretty logical, right? Um, the only thing is that you kind of have to remember equations and stuff. Like, man, I don't even know because I can't really like explain this all to you guys right now. I don't have like a notebook in front of me with all my stuff. I left my notebook at home, and I don't think you want to sit here and listen to me talk about math for the rest of this episode. So I'm not going to. Hopefully you haven't left yet. But I would assume some people have because they don't want to listen to math. And I don't want to send you out because you're a bug type. Psychic. Don't ask. I have no idea. I really want to play some Minecraft. I don't know. I watch a lot of Minecraft and I want to play Minecraft, but I don't have an account and my internet sucks. As of right now, my internet sucks, so I can't really play on servers and stuff. So I can't. There's no point in recording. And you're a water type. I thought you guys would still be. Dang it. We killed the guys in the gym, and now we're advancing back to Pallet Town. So I'm gonna go back to Aromatisse. One thing I don't understand about the English language is, or just any language, is silent letters. Like, ugh, they're so terrible. Like, is that tisse or tisse? Like, I feel like it's spelled tisse, and then they'd be like, no, it's pronounced tisse. Ugh, it's so dumb. Let's see, I can't think of a word. Oh, queue. Queue means like a line or a list. A list of people waiting for something. Let's say I'm breeding Pokemon for people. I'm gonna make a queue of people who want the egg. So that's a list of people waiting for it. It's spelled Queuue. So you can take 4 letters off that word, and you would still pronounce it the same. Q. I don't understand. Literally, what's the point of the rest of the letters if you're... The first time I saw that word, I was 13, 14, and I didn't know how to pronounce it. I'm like, Q-U-A? I was just like, I don't even know. I was just like, I just decided to be like line because I figured that's what it meant. Like, I'll put you online. Or the list, whatever. Man, English language. I don't think you guys want to hear me rant about English language either. I wouldn't want to listen to me rant about English language either. I hate. Now, I'm not going to say like I hate, but I just like despise liberal arts. I really do not like them. I'm more of a STEM researcher. I don't know about researcher, but STEM major. I got into NYU and I'm a applied physics and mathematics major. So liberal arts, not my style. Could I do it? Maybe. Do I want to? No, at all. Not at all. Not even close. I forgot you're part poison type, and I could just do that. Yeah. There's another one down. I hate that I have to like go up and look because I forgot to turn on the light because I figured, hey, it's not that late. It's pretty late though. It's 7. It's 7 right now. Um, so sun's going down, and it's also been cloudy all day, so it hasn't been that bright or anything. So there's like barely any light. Like it's how can I describe this? Like if it were, damn, I don't even know what time the sun goes up. Probably like at 7. Like if it's just not after sunlight, but close to sunrise, like around then, that's what it looks like right now. Trying to think of a different other time, or just imagine it being cloudy, not too dark of clouds, but just like cloudy. And yeah, that's pretty much what it's like right now. Hence the cancellation of my game. Not only that, actually, it's also the all the puddles on the field. It's literally one of the positions is literally just a puddle of water, and you will not be able to stand there. And that's more in the infield where there's dirt and stuff. And the outfield is grass. That makes the grass pretty slippery. We still have practice, which is, I'm fine with that. But I had to get to practice late, which sucks. It was a infield outfield practice with in-game situation kind of things, and I got there probably like maybe 3. I got there 40, like probably an hour late because I had to finish up my test, and what was it, like probably like maybe 3/4 or to a half of it already gone. So I just warmed up real quick and then just stayed in the field because I'm not letting anyone take my spot after I had to take that. And you're a fairy type, and I'm still gonna attack you because fairy types, man. And you're a sand slash. I have no idea why I'm going for you, but we're gonna do it anyway. And you got destroyed by dig. Oh my god. Shadow sneak. I don't know how much you do. 100 enough. You are burned. 27 gone. All right, that's like 14 done. Right now we should be at 80, I believe. Yes, 80, and then we'll end up at 86. Fighting types. Where are we right now? I think we're on our way to the Elite Four. I think. Oh, maybe do we have to do 100 battles per region? Because I feel like maybe that's what it is, and we'll just do 5 episodes. Because yeah. We're at 80 right now. Should we stop? No, because I don't know if it's actually 100 per region, so we'll go until we figure it out. Flamethrower. Bam. Flamethrower. Oop, flamethrower. I forget that since I have to zoom in for you guys, the buttons aren't going to be where I usually have them. Because normally if I... Ooh, where's my mouse? If I... Oh, you guys are... Yeah. I can click here and then click again, and the attack button will be right here. But it's not. I have to scroll down because I have to zoom in for you guys so you can actually see like text and stuff if you want to read it. I don't know if you want to read it. But, if you want to, you might as well zoom in. Brian, 650. Wow, that's a lot. Nidorino. Gonna go for Mud Shot. Okay. I don't think fire would be a great idea, but we're gonna go for it anyway. I don't feel like switching Pokemon. I just feel like quickly scrolling down, hit continue, hit attack, and then just and then I can just do this, and then use pin missile, and boom. Oh, that didn't do as much as I thought it would. I have no idea why I thought that'd be super effective. I'm stupid. Sorry if I go quiet like every time I'm in the battle. I have to go and like write down my my thing, the tally mark, and I kind of can't see where I'm writing it because when I put my pen over there, it gets kind of dark and I can't see where the tip of the pen is. And yeah, I have to like move closer so I can see where I'm writing. Oh man, Witchcast died. Aromatisse, I don't know how well you'll do. Let's see. Moonblast. Moonblast, I think, is more than Psychic because you're actually a fairy type. You get that nice stab. And, whatever. Fire type can do this. Flamethrower. As long as it's flamethrower. Flame Wheel doesn't really do much. I used to think Flame Wheel was a pretty cool move when Chimchar had it, and then it doesn't really do much. Not at all. No, not at all. And I'm gonna go for Aromatisse. No, we're still taking on some ground types. I have no idea where we are right now. We can check after we're done to see how much progress we've made. I don't know how many trainers there are per area, or if it's like I'm really feeling like it's 100 per region, but I don't know, and that's the problem. I really hope you don't decide to be afraid. All right, this is 3 more Pokemon. Boom. After the side quests, or after each side quest, like this is I'm trying to do the Kanto ones right now. So like after the Kanto ones, we're gonna go ahead and move over to something else so that we're not doing side quests all the time. So I'm gonna do that did 50. I'm gonna move to like the events, not to do all the events, but to do like a few like one category in the events, and then come back to side quests after that, and then go back to events, and then back to side quests, and continue on like that, and that'd be nice. Honestly, for you guys right now, I feel like I'm recording this, telling you like today's this, today's that. I did this today, and then for you guys actually watching this, it'll be like actually a few weeks later, because I'm kind of recording these ahead of time because it takes me time to find the Pokemon and then actually train them up to level 100. I can't just do that in a day without cheating. So yeah, I have to take my time doing these things, and it sucks, but it's whatever. I don't mind doing this for a few days and then recording it. It just sucks that I'm not going to be uploading it like soon. All right, we should be on our last trainer coming up right here. So we're going to go for Whiscash because, yep, electric and poison type. What are you? You're an engineer. I don't know why you have poison type Pokemon if you're going to be an engineer. I don't think that's a smart idea. I can see electric types, but I don't see poison types. I don't know what you need those for. You're not like some biologists. Or chemists. I don't think chemists have to deal with like poison. You might. Maybe make some poison solution or something. Or figure out. Oh yeah, because you can figure out how much of it is like acidic and stuff. And yeah. So maybe you're a chemist. I don't think engineer suits you, but yeah. So yep, there we go. That's all for the side quest today. We're at the power plant. Ooh, we don't even know what trainer. What is this? Trainer? Question? What? Wow. Okay, so I guess right now we're going for Zapdos, which is pretty cool. Sorry, I forgot to mark my tally. Yeah, I don't know who this question trainer is. Maybe is this like gonna be like a Zapdos battle? Because Zapdos would be nice, or something. Nah, I highly doubt it's gonna be Zapdos. But yeah, it's whatever. I'll see you guys on the next episode. You know, if you like what you see, go ahead and like, maybe subscribe, maybe. I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.